So this is the MAC box by Next. It costs £45. Let's see what we get in here. Hi there guys, and welcome to my channel. I hope you're all doing very well today. Today's video we have this. Yes, it is another Next beauty box, and this is the MAC box. I've done some extra shifts at work and I thought, why not? I deserve a treat. I'm getting it basically, and that is exactly what I've done. So yeah, let's have a little sneaky peek to see what is in here. So did I say? I don't know if I have. This was £45 if I haven't said it already. Right, so here it is. Wow, that is heavily padded at the bottom. Look how thin that white package is with the parcels in. Oh dear. The edit card, it has information on all the products that are in here, which is fantastic. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would absolutely, I can't get in this. Come over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I've uploaded any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers, and I'm this close, like this close, or so close. So yeah, if you can share my channel with your friends and your family, would be super awesome. If they could subscribe too, the quicker we get there, the quicker we can get on with the giveaway. I'll link a video here. In that video, it's just going to show you what's in the giveaway. The main prize is the Glossy Box 2021 Advent Calendar, which is fan-bloody-tastic. It is a sneak peek inside the box for you. But yeah, let's just get straight to it with the first product. So the first product we have is this. So this is the MAC Stack Mascara. I have been dying to try this. It's the little black dress for your lashes. Bold yet elegant, dramatic yet chic. The latest MAC mascara combines volume and length without clumping or clogging. The easy to use one coats each lash, I can't talk properly today, even in those hard to reach places. Yeah, so let's take a closer look at the actual mascara itself. Oh my god, it's so cute. Look at that. I've never had mascara look like that before. And let's take a closer look at the one. That looks amazing. Look at that, guys. Oh, yeah, I think my lashes are going to get along very nicely with this. I can't wait to try this out. I have quite a big collection of mascara now. I'm kind of a mascara whore, if I'm honest. I think I'm going to start doing a little series just testing out each and every mascara, and I can do like a declutter at the same time. I think what I'm going to do, instead of making a whole YouTube video for one mascara, I'll do shorts instead, I think. Yeah, there's a plan. I'm going to stick to it. Second product in the box is this. So this is MAC. It's all MAC, Joanne. It's all MAC. This is eyeshadow in amber lights. Behold the power of pigment. Elevate your eyes with a streak of rich, high pigmented pressed powder. Its saturated amber lights eyeshadow stays on all day with non-creasing. It's 8-hour wear that you get out of it. The result, potent colour payoff that applies evenly, blends well, and can be used wet or dry. Ooh, so that pot is super cute. It is so lovely. That is what it looks like. Oh wow, look at that, guys. Beautiful. I might have to look to see what other colours they do in that, because that is fan-bloody-tastic. Second item in the box we have is this. So this is an eye kohl pencil liner in the shade Teddy. It just says that signature copper fleck running through rich brown. Even a light dash of this colour will make blue eyes bluer, green eyes greener, and brown eyes more chocolatey. Add this iconic pencil to your look and you will understand why it's been a staple of makeup artists since the 90s. So this is what the pencil looks like. Oh, and that is what that looks like. That is really nice. Oh my goodness. I think that's super adorable. And it's really soft as well. That really glided on, not a problem. Fourth item, we have this. So this is a matte lipstick in the shade Myrrh. Matte lipstick in Myrrh is one of the best kept secrets at MAC. This stunning mid-tone mauve mood complements both warm and cool skin tones, leaving the lips looking like they're just naturally perfect. A staple during the award season, it has quickly become an everyday must-have. And there it is. I love the MAC packaging. I think it's so nice. And that is the shade there. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. The product we have in the box is this. So this is lip gloss in candy box. Ooh, it just says, with spring just around the corner, candy box is a must-have makeup bag addition. It is the perfect balance of nude and rose, as it enhances the natural look of your lips and brightens them with its famous high shine glass-like finish. So that is what it looks like. Like the colour, let's pop that here. Oh yeah, that's going to go lovely with that lipstick. That's fantastic. It's perfect to go with that lipstick. Yeah, look at that shine. Oh, and it smells super, super tasty too. The sixth and final product we have in the box is this. And this is Fix Plus. It just says hydrate, refresh, set makeup and revitalize skin with vitamin enriched setting spray. I have tried this before. I've had a couple of little testers like this months and months ago, and I really loved it, so happy to get another little tester. It's mega cute. Oh my god, look at it. That's perfect if you're going on a night out, and especially if you like to use setting spray when you're out as a little freshener. I think just fit in your bag. Right guys, so this is the MAC Next Beauty Box. What do you think? Personally, I'm super glad I bought this box. It was £45, but I feel like it was money well spent. The sizes in the box are fantastic. The colour choices of the lipstick and the lip gloss, even the eyeshadow is really nice. I really love it, absolutely love it. No regrets at all, which is perfect. But yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.